Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account has chat or studio access and the developer console enabled. Once done, decide which method you'll use: Unicode chat emoji for simple use, decal images for visuals, or an inventory/plugin approach for reusable assets. Make sure to set chat permissions and privacy appropriately before creating content. Then open Roblox Studio or the in-game chat and prepare your asset workspace and image files so you can immediately import or paste the emoji characters. Next, implement the chosen method. If using Unicode, paste emojis straight into chat or use a server script to relay messages. Remember, some emojis vary by platform. For decals, upload a 512 by 512 PNG with transparent background, set the asset's sales and permissions, then apply it to a GUI image label. If building a plugin or inventory item, create a tool containing a GUI, store the image asset ID, and use a local script to spawn or display the emoji when activated. Finally, test thoroughly. Run, play, and join with another account or device to verify chat and GUI behavior. Make adjustments to size, anchor, and layout so emojis display cleanly across resolutions. If something fails, check asset permissions, confirm the correct asset ID, and inspect scaling constraints. Use print statements and the developer console to trace script execution and make sure client-server permissions allow the action. Once working, save versions and document your asset IDs for reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.